Hello, my name is Batu, and Latvia is hinting to become the second NATO ally, which is going to buy the tb2 Bayraktar. Bayraktar, or in Turkish,
Bayraktar,
is notably noticed online by videos like this.
Прийшли окупанти до нас в Україну, форма новенька, воєнні машини, та трохи поплавився їх інвентар. Байрактар.
Or some of his achievements in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. A little introduction about the Bayraktar. The tb2 Bayraktar is a tactical armed UAV system which was developed and manufactured by Bayraktar. The system consists of a Bayraktar tb2 armed UAV platform, ground control station, ground data terminal, remote display terminal, advanced base with generator, and trailer modules, according to the official Bayraktar site. A delegation led by the Latvian Minister of Defense facilities of Bayraktar Defense on Monday, June 7th. The minister was accompanied on the trip by Bayraktar General Manager Haluk Bayraktar, according to the Global Defense Corp and Defense World and Ant Habar. Later on Twitter, a Twitter user asked the question of, I am in Latvia, in Latvian, and the minister replied to the tweet, hopefully soon. He also wrote on a Facebook page, it is in the interest of Latvia to promote constructive cooperation on mutuality important issues with Turkey and its military industry. Turkey is our partner in NATO, and I'm sure that our joint cooperation will help strengthen Latvian defense capabilities, as well as our local military industry. In conclusion, we can show that Latvia will likely be the second NATO member to buy the Turkish tb2 Bayraktar. Thank you.